Chemical Guy's Blue Guard High Shine Protectant is a premium oil-based dressing for tires and trim. Blue Guard restores the deep black shine that will catch people's eyes. Blue Guard penetrates deep and protects against fading and cracking from UV sun rays. Use it on bumpers, tires, rocker panels, engine covers, door trim, and any other textured exterior plastic or rubber. To use Blue Guard, clean the area, spray Blue Guard on an applicator, and spread it across the surface. See that? It's already looking better. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Then, buff off the excess with a microfiber towel. For larger surfaces like off-road tires, spray it right onto the surface and spread it with a brush or a towel. Restore that new car shine to your trim with Blue Guard High Shine Protectant.